And he kind of like directs everybody.
Okay.
Now they're going the other way.
They're confused. Don't know which way to go. Oh, they're running from the humans.
Because they bother them. They try to feed them and shit and pet them.
Goddamn Europeans.
Yeah. And we can't go because the light's red now, but
That's nice.
it was about, well, that was about 30 of them, right?
Yep. They finished grazing, so now they're gonna go find somewhere to go sleep.
They live up there in the mountains.
They're gonna go sleep in the mountains because they're afraid of humans.